I often hear from customers that they're reviewing their preventive maintenance strategy, and they do that because they want to ensure asset safety, comply with statutory regulations, and minimize their asset lifecycle cost. Building a preventive maintenance schedule really means building an effective maintenance strategy. Now, these strategies range from reactive to preventive to condition-based and finally to predictive. Now, running assets to failure and then reacting maximizes operational and maintenance costs, which is not what we're trying to do. The idea behind preventive maintenance is to maintain assets in order to reduce failures. Now, fleets have been performing preventive maintenance since the early 1900s, but the practice became a must-have strategy really starting with the Great Depression. Now, asset management information systems have allowed organizations to analyze data so their preventive maintenance programs can be designed to replace components based on mean time between failure of those components. And once telematics came around, and then combined with artificial intelligence, it's now made it very practical to implement what we call a predictive maintenance strategy. Now, in an organization's maintenance strategy, organizations must comply with state or provincial and federal Department of Transportation, and in the US, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration mandates. Also, organizations must consider the original equipment manufacturer maintenance recommendations so they can ensure or help ensure maximum warranty recovery and help preserve asset resale value. Asset management systems should be able to provide the mean time between failure for asset components. This information should be extracted and monitored to help ensure components are changed out before they fail, or at least before they typically fail, because breakdown maintenance is the most expensive kind of maintenance. Additionally, over-maintaining wastes maintenance dollars and increases asset downtime and the costs associated with that downtime. An organization's maintenance management system should also report on the mean time to repair, because the longer assets take to repair, the greater the downtime and the greater the cost of that downtime. Mean time to repair should help determine when planned maintenance should be scheduled. Now, industry, asset, and maintenance management information system, all that data can help predict when maintenance issues might occur, but that's a lot of data. Now, combining the industry, telematics, and maintenance management information system data, it's kind of like drinking from a fire hose. But now that we have artificial information applications, AI, we can help digest and then present that information in a way that it's useful. So really, I don't think there's a single tactic that can be implemented in an effective maintenance strategy. You've got to combine a bunch of these. So organizations should strive for a strategy that combines preventive maintenance so that you can ensure statutory and OEM requirement compliance, includes managed information system data to replace components at the appropriate time, so you're not wasting money changing out components before you need to, and then digesting the telematic and industry maintenance information to help tell you when bad things might happen so that you can predict when things are going to occur.